Hi, this is ICT Training and I'm your trainer Mian Ahsan. We're going to learn frame tool in Photoshop. So let's start. File menu, open, select any image from your hard drive, click open. In the toolbar here we have frame tool. Frame tools offer you two states here, a rectangular or a circular. So let's just start with the circular frame. Click and drag to draw a circular outline. Now go to your image folders, select any image you want to, drag to the Photoshop and drop it. So this is how the frame tool works. You can increase the image size or decrease it. Let's do it again. Get the frame tool, click and drag a frame, select any image from your hard drive and drop it to Photoshop and resize it as per need. You can manipulate it, reposition it. It's so simple. Now we attempt the rectangular frame, drag to draw. You can easily resize it while after draw. Drag image from your hard drive and drop it to the frame. Drag to draw, get the image and drop it in any frame you want. Thank you.